This is Tech Cat. In this video I'm going to be boxing this iPhone XR 128 gigabyte. This is a quick video, only recording it with one hand, no tripod, so let's just get into it. This phone's been out for about 6 months or so, but I'm just now picking it up because my Samsung Galaxy 8 finally broke. So let's get into it. First, let's check out the packaging. Right here it tells us everything we're about to go over. Like we said, 128, all the numbers and whatnot. This is the actual front of the iPhone. I hope it looks as good as the picture. Apple, iPhone. Okay, so to open it up, you got a little tab right here that you can just peel on the back. Ooh. Nice. Flip it this way. I was very interested. Don't you like that? He seems flabbergasted. All right, the moment of truth. Let's do the slide off. You see that, Mo? You see that? Right here. Designed by Apple in California. They've been saying that in every single packaging ever since I got my first iPod Touch, for when the first iPod Touch came out, basically. Oh, there's the phone. And here it says hello. And it's a little user manual or feature overview, which I don't care about. SIM ejector tool, very key. And then you have the actual user guide and battery and all that jazz right here, the warranty. And then here, the most important part of the box, the Apple sticker. Absolute key to any Apple product is the Apple stickers. So, diving into the actual phone, let's pull it out, get rid of that. We're interested in what's in the box. So first, we have a pair of the wired Apple headphones, which are actually very decent headphones. I'd compare them to, they have a very nice pair of JBL headphones, but instead this, it's like a foamy material. They have almost the exact same sound as those, so pretty good. Got your Thunderbolt cable with this thing, which is nice, but it'd be nice if they just use a Type-C, so everybody can be on the same page. But whatever. AC adapter, we all know what that does. And I don't think there's anything over here. Oh. Did you want it, Mo? Checking it out. Mo's doing a quality insurance check. All right, I think everything checks out on that end. Oh, this is the phone. I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet because I'm waiting for my case and my screen protector in the mail. So let's fire this bad boy up. So I'm pretty sure we just hold down this power button until we get an Apple logo. Mo. Yeah? This really is just an unboxing video. I'm not going to start going through the phone. We all know what the Apple startup screen looks like. So this is the full black version. Got a bunch of crap on it. It's been on the table. All right. Hello, hola, and goodbye.